Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome back to the garage. Hopefully you guys had an awesome summer, great show season. I know here in Calgary it is over. We are just blanketed with snow. It's cold, it's gross, and I'm not a fan. Today I'm going to give you a bit of an update on the truck, what we want to do, what we want to try and accomplish over the winter, and hopefully you guys might have some ideas, might have some thoughts. Just drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. A big part of the truck I really want to accomplish this year is actually the box, and mostly the box sides, to get them kind of straightened out and looking a lot better. I think they look pretty janky compared to the rest of the truck. Just let me show you what I'm talking about. So we have some holes to fill. The tubs need a lot of work. I want to get the filler cap sitting flush this year, but the driver's side bed cab is the worst. It needs a lot of love. Passenger side is not as bad, but we got a fairly good crease right here and some rust that's coming through. I think this should be easily fixable, but we got lots of denting and just warpage of the box. If you haven't been following my social media, Instagram, TikTok, we finally built a set of 2x4 wheel stands, which is something I wish I would have done a long time ago. They're amazing, they're brilliant, and it's going to make working on the truck so much easier, and just it's going to be a lot better. So let's continue. I want to work on the gapping of the door jambs and just panels, period. They're pretty good for just throwing the truck together, but I think they can be better. Interior, I want to get all these random holes closed up, pour 50 in the floor, get the sound deadening mat put down, and then hopefully carpet this year. I got to change out the driver's side glass. It's got some pitting from cutting my exhaust. I want to hopefully clean up the instrument cluster, make it look a little more OEM and hopefully nicer. We got to work on the cab roof, get it cleaned up. Hopefully at least a layer of paint, whether it be a spray bomb or whatever again, but I think it would be nice to have the truck all in one color come next spring, and that's kind of my goal. Is the major things will be box sides, paint, whether it be just spray can or whatever we're going to do, just all in one color, having the box look a little bit better. And one major thing with the suspension. One definitely major thing I want to accomplish this year is get the frame notched. You can see the axle and the frame are pretty close, bump stops pretty close, so I'd really like to get that notched just for comfort and safety reasons. I'd also like to get the exhaust finished. I'm hoping to have it come out the box sides. I really like that look. Hopefully bringing the exhaust out the sides of the box, it will cut down a little bit on the drone and maybe make it a little quieter in the cab, as long as we don't lose the chop and the great sound that is music to our ears. Some nice to haves would be to get the wheels completely repowder coated this year by our good friends at Powderworks. And then I would also like to get some tire stickers or come up with another solution for that. Front and back, not going to do much else for suspension wise. And the front fender and the hood, the front of the truck I think is pretty good, so I really want to focus a lot more on the back of the truck. It's in bad shape, that box. Hopefully we can fix that. I think we probably can. I'm gonna be hopeful we can, because I've been looking for box sides already and they're pretty tough to find. And new ones are $12.50 a side. And I don't know what the fitment or quality is gonna be like, so we'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's little quick update. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.